Students, today we are going to discuss about NEET 2018 में जो क्वेश्चंस आए हैं. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम बात करेंगे जो हमारे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइसेस से जो कुछ क्वेश्चन आएंगे उनको हम डिस्कस करेंगे. तो अगर पहला क्वेश्चन सेमीकंडक्टर से देखेंगे तो वो है इन द सर्किट शोन इन फिगर द इनपुट वोल्टेज VI is 20 volt, VB 0 and VC is equal to 0. The values of IB, IC and beta are given by. तो हमें IB का वैल्यू निकालना है, हमें IC का वैल्यू निकालना है और हमें बीटा का वैल्यू निकालना है. तो इफ यू सी दिस फिगर, इट इज अ ट्रांजिस्टर इन सेमीकंडक्टर्स and it has base emitter and collector. So we have to find out IB and IC. If you see here, this is 20 volt collector voltage and this is 4 kilo ohm RC resistance. So if you see this point, VC is equal to 0 and if you see here, VB is equal to 0. Simply how we can find out this? Let's have. So we will applying KVL. अगर हम KVL अप्लाई करेंगे, इस वाले साइड में KVL अप्लाई करेंगे तो ये हमारे पास क्या बनेगा? ये हमारे पास बनेगा 20 minus ICRC is equal to 0. So while applying 20 minus ICRC is equal to 0, why it is equivalent to 0? Because it has been given that it is equivalent to 0. So it will become 20 minus IC and RC is how much? RC is 4 kilo ohm, so it is 4 into 10 to the power 3 ohm. So we have to find out IC. So it will be 20 is equal to IC into 4 into 10 to the power 3, right? So IC will be equivalent to IC is equal to 20 divided by 4 into 10 to the power 3. So it will become 5 into 10 to the power minus 3. So it will 5. Is there any answer for 5 for IC? It is milliampere. So it is 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 is equal to 5 milliampere. So let us see in our options. Is there any 5 milliampere? Yes, it is 5 milliampere IC. But IC 5 milliampere IC. तो तीन options में हमारे IC is equal to 5 milliamperes दिए गए हैं. So we'll go for IB also. Let's see what will be the IB. And if you see, we can calculate in the same manner, in the same pattern. If we apply KVL to this side, so it will become VI. That VI is 20. So 20 minus IBRB is equal to 0 because VI minus IBRB and that is equivalent to 0. So it will become 20 is equal to IBRB. So 20 is equal to IB and what is the value of RB? That's 500. So IB into 500 into 10 to the power 3 like this. So it will become 20 is equal to IB into 500, that is 5 into 10 to the power 5. So we have to find out IB, that IB is equal to 20 divided by 5 into 10 to the power 5. So it will become 4. So IB is equal to 4 divided 5, that is 4 into 10 to the power minus 5. So answer in, if we see IB, that is in milliamperes. So if we go for milliamperes, it will become IB is equal to 40 into 10 to the power minus 6 and IB will be equivalent to 40 milliampere. Is there any answer for 40 milliampere? Yes. So it is here 40 milliampere. Is there any option 40 milliampere? No. So this option number 4, that is IB is equal to 40 milliampere, IC is equal to 5 milliampere. And in this way we can simply find out beta also, that beta is equal to IC divided by IB divided by IC, and you can find out that will become 125 milliampere, right? Okay, so in this way